Facebook can't send requests. It looks like you may not know this person. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application on your device and search for Facebook. As you can see, there's an update available for the application on our device. So we're just going to tap on update and we can just wait until it gets updated on the latest version on our device. After that, you can just go back and tap on the Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, the Facebook cannot send requests a lot of times due to the fact that the person that you are trying to send the friend request to, they may have the full list of friends and you cannot send the friend requests anymore. So you might just be able to follow them but not send the friend request. Next, they might also be going through the stage where they have logged their profile and they do not want to be sent any of the friend requests. So that might be the issue as well. So you can just check any of the issues and after that you'll be able to fix your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.